G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. How's it going? So today I'm out taking my bike for a little test ride after a really cool modification. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've got a custom exhaust pipe. Now I posted a photo of it on Instagram a little while ago, and a couple of people have asked me to make a video of it, so I thought, why not? So anyway, here's the exhaust pipe. So I've just been riding around just the local streets near my place and making a bit of noise. Hopefully the neighbours won't mind. It's only going to be a one-off, so I'm sure they wouldn't mind. But yeah, we hardly ever get noise complaints around here. But I guess now that I have this bike, we probably will get noise complaints. Anyway, so I'll fire it up. I'll give you a listen to what it sounds like, and I'll play a comparison clip. I have some video footage of the old exhaust pipe, so I'll play that as well to compare the sound of it. So anyway, here's what it sounds like. So yeah, it's got a pretty decent growl to it. It sounds really good when you're obviously, fanging it up through the gears and stuff like that. So I'll play you a little bit of footage of that now. Oh man, that sounds so good. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty nice. I've got another GoPro mounted on the side there to sort of capture the exhaust pipe, maybe get a little bit of smoke or something out of it. But one thing I do want to do is go out again tonight and see if the exhaust pipe spits flames, which would be pretty cool. Yeah, so the layout of the exhaust pipe is, I've got the, I don't know if you can see it, but I've got the header pipes, so you got them painted a matte black to sort of, blend in with the bike. And it's a 2-into-1. 2-into-1, as you can see right there, which looks really nice. And then that comes out here. There's the O2 sensor, there's a CO2 sensor there that the engine needs, whatever. Then it comes out here. And there's a little bit of baffling in there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit of baffling in there, so it's not completely clean through. But if it was, the thing would be freaking like louder than that. But yeah, I mean, it does have a really nice rumble. It's got a really nice sound. I have yet to test it riding through like a tunnel or something, so that would be for a future video. Unfortunately, sorry about that. Yeah, so. A huge shout out to Pipework Techniques at Yatla. The guy who owns that place, his name's Noel. If you want he does a lot of custom exhaust pipes. He's done quite a few Kawasaki Vulcans. He's done lots of Harleys. He's done Ducatis. He's done Hondas. He's done Yamahas. Every bike you can think of, basically. So, and he's got some pretty crazy you know, images and whatnot on his website. So I'll put a link to his website in the description. You can check it out. And his pricing is actually very competitive. I mean, I got this one done for quite a decent price. I think it was about $600 or something. Everywhere else quoted me about, like, probably, I think everywhere else quoted me like almost $1,000 or something. Chain windows. Yeah, so yeah, if you want a custom exhaust pipe, just hook him up. Yeah, so that's my new custom exhaust pipe. If you've got a custom exhaust pipe on your bike, do me a favor and send me a photo of it through my Instagram, links in the description, or on my Facebook page, link in the description as well. Yeah, so a huge shout out to Pipework Techniques in Yatla. Yeah, they did a fantastic job. They're definitely very competitive when it comes to prices, and yeah, if you've got a custom design that you've drawn up or something like that, then you can just simply give it to them and they can match it as best they can. And yeah, so I like the shape of it. It looks kind of like, you know, Viking almost. So anyway, from Vulcan Camman, thanks very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks very much.